Hi, Cat's Cradle here. I got my new Emergency Essentials catalog today. I'm always excited to get it and see what's up. I turn it over and I look inside the back cover first because that's where the group buys are. That's where the really good specials are. And they've got some good things on sale, some dehydrated refried beans, some freeze-dried banana slices. Again, they have freeze-dried peach chunks, and that's a good deal. That's a 51% savings. That number 10 can of freeze-dried peaches is usually $30.95. It's on for $15, and they are good. They've got some MRE applesauce, little individual serving squeeze packs. Again, they have the toilet seats on $6 a piece if you buy 10 lids. So that's some good things. But what I was really excited about on the back, lots of times on the back they'll put some of their new items. And right here it says pure vanilla powder, $20.99. And so I'm thinking, okay, pure vanilla powder, what do? Do you just pour out a bottle of vanilla and let the alcohol evaporate off and just crumble up what's remaining? That wouldn't make sense, and it would cost a fortune. So I'm like, there's got to be more to it than that. So I went to their website and this is what I pulled up. I just typed in the word search up here. I typed pure vanilla powder. Now they're selling two kinds. One is the top one's a pure vanilla powder, and then the bottom one is an imitation vanilla. So I was only interested in the pure vanilla powder, so I went to the website and I scrolled down and there's just nothing there, and I'm like, okay, I need more information. I had to really search, and here it is, right here. It says show nutrition information. So here we go. Going to pull it up. It has 15 calories per teaspoon, not much of anything else, 3 grams of sugar per teaspoon. Here's what I wanted. The directions: use exactly as you would liquid vanilla in recipes, which means teaspoon per teaspoon. No reconstitution necessary. Add to milk, fresh fruit, desserts, or other recipes for additional flavoring. Then down here at the bottom, ingredients. First ingredient is sugar, then vanilla bean extractives, cornstarch, tricalcium phosphate. So I got on the phone with a representative because I had several questions. Pardon the dog patrol. I had several questions I wanted to ask them. One, does it come in a can that's where the liner is BPA free? And she said everything we sell, every canned food we sell for food storage is BPA free. That's a good thing to know. So the next thing I wanted to ask her is the cornstarch in this pure vanilla powder, is it made from non-GMO corn? And she did not have that information for me. She said she could get it, but I told her don't bother, because you know what, if you want to make this yourself, and the advantage to having this over liquid vanilla is if you want to make your own mixes. You want to make your own brownie mix or cake mix or pancake mix or whatever. You can just put a teaspoon of this vanilla powder in there and go right on. And if you're using powdered eggs and powdered shortening, then all you have to do, you can make your own mix that you only have to add water. So vanilla powder would be a real cool, handy thing to have on hand. However, if sugar is the first ingredient, I am not going to pay $20 for 19 ounces. That's $1 an ounce. That's some expensive stuff. But I figured out a way around it. All I would have to do is mix some vanilla into some sugar and then leave it sitting on my counter. What's really going to evaporate out, you may lose a little bit of the flavoring, but what's really going to evaporate out is the alcohol. And if you leave it on your counter overnight, it's going to dry. I would stir it a couple of times and leave it out there. And I think I'm going to try it. I'll let you know what happens, but I'm going to make my own vanilla powder. But I'm not falling for this. It's probably handy, and if you're really rich, it's a good thing. I got really excited when I first saw it, but now I'm going to try to make my own. Anyway, just thought I'd tell you what I found out when I called. But finding out that their their cans are not lined with BPA liners, that's a good thing. So anyway, just letting you know what's on my mind this afternoon. Cat's Cradle.